What you doing?
Huh?
You saw this come out with us, man.
What?
Brought out last week.
I've been chilling, man. I'm sick, bro.
You sick?
Nah, I'm sick. I ain't got my car.
Nigga, you better come over here and jump in something. Nigga, I don't care about this shit.
Man, hey, bro, I be looking, I be like, man, these niggas ride, man, I'm finna put some nails in these niggas tired. Nah, nah, let me stop. I ain't gonna say no shit like that, but. Hey, look, I was just talking about that, bro. I was just talking about that, right? So you know how you done got best fleet.
Yeah.
How many years in a row? 3?
Well, dude, he deserved it last year with the 3 colors.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, he got
the first annual. He got the second.
And you got the third. So you 2 up on the fleet. My dad didn't like that. he said, nope, we ain't doing that. I'm finna bring every car I got to them.
Tell Pops, I still got a fear in the cut.
Man.
And I know Pops got a fleet.
Hey, he got, what I recorded? I recorded 3 today. I think 5 on pictures. And then the other ones, he ain't got no pictures for them and they weren't even there.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So he was like, man, I gotta get everything running. Everything gotta be at the show next year. Yeah. I said, man, you with the shit, dog. How we gonna get all this shit to her?
Man, look, I don't be like, sometimes the Tahoe ain't been, I ain't take the 2 though, cause I missed the wrap up on the jump by sitting the damn carpet on top of my, you didn't see how.
What 2 though?
My 2 though 79.
It's
a new jump. Around, they said we're gonna hell.
Yeah.
So I just took some carpet and laid it on top of it, try to cover it up.
Messed it up. Damn. But it's just on the lids though. Yeah, it's just on the lids, so you can.
Nice already ordered. I posted that. Nice told me $400 to hit everything that's material, pull it out, put it on. I told him before he gave me a price, I said, let's pray Nice and boy, he was dying last. See, I ain't bring that junk. I finna go order me a fifth wheel for that junk. Put the fifth wheel.
Oh yeah. Most definitely.
And then I think about doing them junk triple gold if I don't switch them out. I like them because they old school.
Yeah, they're old school, yeah.
And I might go to gold days now. When you go to the car show, everybody got gold days.
Right. That's what they're doing. It's a trend.
Like, what about the 70 that had them S's and logos on it?
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? So I try to stick out a little bit.
But it'll really kill them if you had the other junks though. The plates.
The plate junk, the flat ones.
Yeah, the flat junk. Mm-hmm. Woo! Cause see, ain't nobody riding them at all. This a newer, this, you know what I'm saying? This is a more modern Cadillac feel here.
It's a flat one. I think they right there on Lakeview before you get to Craft. It's a little sedan to be. They got some on there, if I'm not mistaken, right there on the right before you get, because Hunter Oaks up a little more through the stop sign. It's gonna be right there on right when you get to that church. Dude got some on the sedan to be. I'm gonna get my top done and shit.
Boy got the Lexus and the Tahoe back there. Man, yo.
I had to move them around. See, I really be having them up here in the safe.
Yeah.
But
fucking
my car, the drop top, I had to move everything, so I bag it out. Go out my side gate over there. Save me some time, yeah, but I'm gonna get me a building and put up. They pick at me, man. They're like, this your favorite one. My wife, everybody. It's the only one you want to drive.
Right. Like, shit, that's big boy shit right there.
This Big Joe, man. This man at the park. Tell your dad I don't want no beef.
Hey, that boy said, man, I'm finna have to step out, man. I need all of them out. We need to get this box out of here. I need my 69 El Camino, my 78 El Camino, right? He got rid of the 70 El Camino.
That's it. I ain't hit the street yet, and dog, I'm gonna drive it up there at El, and I'm at the lecture shop. When my starter went out, my top won't come down. It was a radio show. Wife and John out.
Yeah, I seen you had said that.
I'm gonna put my Johnson on hers. Put my 8s on her junk.
Then he got the other leg back there. What's that? What you gonna do with that?
Over 20 years. I'm gonna go back. It's a European. I'm gonna go back to 84 cap on it and go get me an original 90 European junk.
Okay.
Then I got the Chrysler back there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna LS swap that junk. Hell, everybody else doing the Hellcat.
Yeah, everybody else doing the Hellcat.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do the Hellcat.
I'm probably finna hit Diego up and get me some seats for my box I'm gonna take my seats out and put the leather LS seats in that junk.
Like I got
Yeah, in that junk.
And then cause my inside so hard on my junk, I got the all burgundy junk with the roof and
Yeah, the one I'm do the burgundy.
Yeah.
The one I'm do the burgundy. I'm gonna do burgundy with the I'm trying to do burgundy with the peanut butter stitching.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That burgundy peanut butter I always use.
Oh yeah.
We can't go wrong. See, I got my homie B-Lo.
Big B-Lo in this thing, Mr. Ain't a Man himself, man.
See, y'all ain't got cool. Y'all niggas stole the pack of roof for us. My niggas in the neighborhood, they come holler at me, man. They show me rules.
Y'all see Big G got a whole fleet of cars right here, man. One man got 30 cars and he have them out every time he come out the house. Every last one of them. Man, that man, he different. Yeah, he different, dog. I ain't lying. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna drop this John off next week. I'm going to Colorado right here, the shop across from Mill Creek, so they got my AC on this joint.
Oh, okay.
You gotta do the AC on this, the 79 and the top on.
Man, that joint's so clean, bro.
And people don't believe that's a rap. They be like, man.
I was just finna say that, but I was like, well, maybe he didn't want nobody to hear that. But
I don't mind. And
so this joint rap.
I can really put this joint in the category of best rap.
Yeah. Big Joe. What's this one?
Miss Gladys.
That Miss Gladys. Okay. Big Joe, Miss Gladys.
Hey, this joint right there, I'm still.
He still ain't got no name yet.
I got no name. The blue one, Sexy Lexi.
Sexy Lexi.
Showtime. Yeah.
Then you got Dolph over here, the vert. I got Dolph right there. The Bonneville. Miss Bunny. Purple Rain. Oh, Purple Rain right here. Purple Rain right here.
Wife and Chevy, the
Mermaid. You ain't named that jump back there. You ain't named on them.
Yeah. You know, I got the Temptation with the Cadillac. This David right there. That's the original.
That David.
Y'all stay tuned for David. David will be out. Do not play with David. Don't sleep on David.
Hey, David said, I'm David Ruffin and these the Temptation. Nigga, what you talking about?
Got 70,000 miles on it. 84.
84. Let's look at this jump. You did but that's everything 90 out there, John Doe, ain't it?
I'm gonna put back 84.
I'm talking about interior and everything though, right?
No, them original seats.
Oh, the original 80? Okay, 84, okay.
Yeah, man, I want to get rid of the ammo.
I want me one of these, John Doe, but I gotta have the 91, 92 though.
That's what I'm getting next. I love homie with the white jump with the 28-inch spoke.
Oh my God.
He motivated me. I was on the sideline. I said I wasn't gonna buy me him.
Bro, I seen that car. I said, I gotta get one now. I showed it under my wife. I said, I gotta have it. She said, man, what you gonna do with that? Then she seen one on whatever the John B, when they be having all them antique cars and they be showing how much they cost.
Yeah.
She seen one on there and that John was like 30,000.
If you want a good Cadillac, holler at my boy Caddy Chris on Instagram.
Caddy Chris.
Caddy Chris. He is the Cadillac king. I can't see him. I am nothing in Cadillacs compared to him. Dude is the truth, man. I'm talking about, dude got so many cars, so many Cadillacs, that's all he deal with. He got the, what you call the two-door joint? The red joint, the drop top.
Eldorado?
What they call them joints? Damn, man.
Hold up, before you get into that. Now, what's the name of that one?
That right there. That's my Pole Mine Bentley.
Pole Mine Bentley.
Pole Mine Bentley.
Man, this man right here, man. This don't make no damn sense.
John, I watched that motherfucker every 2 days.
Damn.
That John remind me of Bentley, and that's why I call it Pole Mine Bentley. Miss Bunny, 85, 36,000 original mile. No tears in the seat.
Clean in the jump.
The top.
That's what I just went down there and did, cause somebody put the top on my car, but it wasn't even the right top. Like that, my car 88. Yeah. They put a 85 and up top on that junk. So they got the curve on that junk like this here. Yeah. The 87 through 90s had the point on them junk. Yeah. So I went ahead on took that off.
Small details.
Yeah, the small details. Yeah. So I took that junk off. Yeah, man. I'm hit y'all back in a second, man. Had to come down here and holler at Big G, man. Show off his fleet, man. That man got plenty of wheels down here, man. I'm talking about, he hiring drivers too, man.
Hiring drivers for car shows.
He hiring drivers for car shows, man. So Y'all get up with it, man. Big, what is it? Big G 73, ain't it?
Big 2173.
Big 2173.
And on
Instagram.
Memphis G2752.
Memphis G2752 on YouTube.
You did.
Yeah, you know what he talking about.
I'm talking about any kind of
Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Man himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Mine Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Mine Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man. And yeah, enjoy those. Enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video.
Yeah, man, just little Big G, man. Just little Big G out. Now we finna ski daddle. Which way I wanna go? I'll go this way. We finna ski daddle, man, on back to the crib. Yeah, man, like I'm telling y'all, man, like I'm real deal like trying to get all the footage, man. This German Shepherd book is for sale. I'm trying to get all the footage, dog. Like, I'm really on some. Y'all remember my tour, my Smack 'em in the Mouth tour? That's starting back up. But now it's with the footage. Smack in the mouth with the footage, and it's about to be a Smack 'em in the Mouth tour, man. And technically, the tour never started, so technically it's still a regular Smack 'em in the Mouth tour. Cause it never started. Like I never got everything off the ground like I wanted to. So, yeah, man, that's a nice house, right? That's a nice house. Ain't got no garage though, but it is. All it do is in the backyard. Okay. That house look like it don't even belong over here. Like this is definitely not the area where that house belongs. But that's neither here nor there. I just showed y'all Big G fleet. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna see how they turn out, man, with Big G fleet, Pops fleet. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see how that turn out. Yeah. I'm so like I'm excited for the for what's about to happen, man. Because like I'm tired of not getting the results that I feel like I deserve. A lot of y'all feel like I deserve. Like I don't feel like there's no reason for me to still have under 3,000 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? Like I supposed to been past that a long time ago. Like the content that I got ain't bad. It might not be the best content, but it ain't bad though. You know what I'm saying? So that, you know what I'm saying? Like that just, I don't know. But I'm finna fix it now. Now I can say, I'm getting to the point now I can say, alright, this is my fault. If I don't get the results, you know what I'm saying? If I don't get the results that I feel like I deserve after this turn up right here, then I know it's no longer my fault. Because I took it to that level. Like I took it there. I did everything I needed to do to get myself in position to win, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'm putting myself in position to win. I ain't waiting on nobody. I ain't trying to. I mean, if a collab come, you know what I'm saying? That's cool. But I ain't, I ain't finna wait on it. I ain't finna wait on no collab. I ain't finna be, you know what I'm saying? Well, man, won't nobody collab with me. No, I ain't finna do none of that. I got my clique of people, man, that, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna run this up with. If you see this video, if you with me, then you with me. I ain't calling out no names. I ain't, you know what I'm saying? I ain't exclude nobody. I ain't include nobody. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna run it up. So if you with me, if you on my side of the field, you better come on, because I ain't babysitting nobody. I ain't doing none of that. It's yeah. All right now. Okay. That's my first and my final warning. Letting y'all know, man. If y'all on my team, we gotta roll, dog. We gotta roll, because we ain't doing nothing different than what the other folks doing that got all these subscribers, bro. We ain't doing nothing different. They posting the same kind of content. They got, you know what I'm saying? Like, these other people got car content going on. They posting car content. So, what? You know what I'm saying? Why we suffering? Why we ain't getting all this right here and all that right there? Nah, dog, I'm tired of sitting back watching. I ain't hating, I ain't doing no hating. Hey, man, congrats to everybody that's, you know what I'm saying, doing they thing, doing big on you know what I'm saying, on his platform, man. On this her platform. Man, I salute everybody that's doing big on their platform. But I'm finna give me a piece of it too, though. And I ain't finna try to take nobody down to do that. Which I ain't never been that type of person, no way. So we finna get this money, dog. Like, gotta get this money, man. Finna put this content out here and get this money, man. What you got going on? I thought the gas station closed. It's back open? Nah, the gas station ain't open. Is it? Yes, it is. They open that jump back up. I thought it closed. Okay, then. But yeah, man. But I'm about to head on in. I ain't calling nobody else, cause I'm tired now. I'm hot. I'm tired. I ain't calling to see where nobody else is, cause no. I'm ready to get to the house. So I'm finna go and get something to eat for the fam, and wash my black hindquarters. Look a little dark. Wash my hand. And I'm finna lay down and watch movies and look at car videos and look up car parts and all this right here until I go to sleep. So with that being said, it's your dog, Big B-Lo, Mr. Ain't himself. And I'll catch y'all in the next one, man.